Hey, welcome back to Base Squared. In this video, we're going to be doing a Pythagoras theorem question. Okay, this is one of the extension questions I gave my students. A big shout out to Lucy who attempted a question and it's working out for you. So let's just jump straight into this then. Here's the question. It says find out the missing length. The missing length here is from A to B, okay? This length here from A to B, that's the value of X. So we need to find out what's going on here. Now we can easily find out what the point from A to this intersection is, okay? And that's just using Pythagoras. So in order for me to do that, what I'm saying is basically that 6 squared, this square here, plus 8 squared, this square over here, is going to be equal to the bigger square, okay? So this length from A to this intersection is going to be 6 squared plus 8 squared, which is equal to that value, okay, that intersection. Let's just call it, I don't know, just call it D for now, the distance, okay? D squared. So then 6 squared, 36, plus 64, whoops, plus 64 is equal to D squared. Therefore, D would be equal to the square root of 36 plus 64. If you add those values together, you conveniently get 100. So the square root of 100 is equal to 10. So what's left then is for us to work out from this intersection point to the value of B, okay, to find out that segment there, this distance from the point M to B, we want to find out what that value there is. Now, what's missing here is not just Pythagoras, it's similar triangles, okay? We're going to be using similar triangles here. Now, because these two triangles share this angle here, which is equally opposite, okay, or vertically opposite angles, this angle and this angle is the same, and they both have a right angle, okay? So these two, and then obviously if this angle is the same as this angle and it has a right angle, that means because a triangle has 180 degrees, then the final angle, okay, this angle here at B and A is also going to be the same, okay? So since we know that the two triangles are similar then what we can do is we can try to find out the side length ratios, okay? We're trying to find out this missing part here, MB, which is our unknown, yeah? We don't know what that is. We do know that this length here from A to M was 10. It had the value of 10 units. So let's put this into use then. Our unknown divided by 10, because that's the side, the corresponding sides, is equal to 1 over, and then this 1 over here is corresponding to this 6, isn't it? Yeah. So 1 over 6. That's what we're saying. All we really need to do is take this 10 and multiply it on both sides. If you multiply 10 on the left-hand side, that cancels out. Our question mark is equal to 1 times 10 over 6. That's 10 over 6 is equal to our mystery value, which is 5 over 3, or 1 2/3. Okay, so our mystery value over here is 1 2/3. So we know that from A to M was 10. So 10 plus 1 2/3, that makes 11 2/3, whatever the units are. Okay, the length of AB, the missing value of X for this question, is 11 2/3. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.